Sipho agent apologizes over Kaizer Chiefs transfer remarks amid player controversy. In a dramatic twist involving Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Sipho, his agent Mike McCabe has issued a public apology for comments made about a potential move to South Giants Kaizer Chiefs. Speaking earlier this week, McCabe claimed that Mbule had been offered to Chiefs following the player's troubled spell at Sundowns, where his contract was recently cut short after a loan to Sekhukhune United. The termination was reportedly due to disciplinary issues, including allegations that Mbule arrived at training under the influence of alcohol. However, the remarks sparked backlash from supporters and raised eyebrows within the Chiefs hierarchy, prompting McCabe to walk back his statements and said, "I reacted in an emotional manner without giving enough thought as to how things would be seen by all the stakeholders and Kaizer Chiefs." McCabe said it in a statement and said, "I apologize to Sporting Director Kaizer Motaung Jr. and the club. It was never my intention to create any problems for either him or the institution." McCabe went on to express his deep respect for Amakhosi, calling them a great institution that has played such a major role in South African football. He added that he would be stepping away from social media for a while in light of recent events. The controversy comes at a time of transition for Chiefs, who last week confirmed the departure of forward Ranga Chivavero. The striker leaves the club just 1 year after signing in June 2023. With the club opting not to extend his 2-year deal, Chivaviro made 45 appearances in all competitions and scored 9 goals but struggled to find consistency amid injury setbacks throughout the 2023-2024 season. The Glamour Boys are now facing a crucial off-season after another underwhelming campaign. Amakhosi finished 9th in the Betway Premiership, marking the second consecutive season they failed to secure a top 8 finish, an outcome that has left their fan base frustrated and desperate for meaningful change. As the dust settles from Mbule saga and with the key squad changes underway, all eyes will be on Naturena to see how the club rebuilds ahead of the new season. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports